Down the lane, snow is glistening. Hear the bells, do you listen? We're walking along, singing a song, walking in a winter wonderland. Well, this is the infamous Hamblin boat dock with well over a foot of snow. It's, shall we say, Arctic. Not exactly what I was planning when I decided to move to Tennessee and escape the winter weather. Looking for degrees below 6 today. The dogs love it. Walking towards my wonderfully built houseboat called the Seestership that my dear sister Paula, with her blood, sweat, and tears, built. And here we are. Yes, she's doing fabulous. She's stable. The heat's good. As you can tell, I'm not losing a lot of heat through the roof. The water system is working. All is well in the winter wonderland.